This is another video about it's not about like, I want to go to Popeyes, I want to go to KFC, I really want to go. So first, there's a boxing video I received today for my birthday. I got GoPro. Okay, I got a GoPro camera. So today we are going to unbox the GoPro camera. Here's the travel kit. So let's open the bag. Can't really see it though. Alright, there's the GoPro camera, the GoPro Hero 7, the white one. Here's what they look like, the box. You can download the GoPro app. Here's the app description. And here's the travel kit. So let's unwrap it. You know it's strong, I always use my big muscles for that. Yeah. Fresh. Here, I got unboxed this GoPro travel kit box. So first let's unbox this GoPro Hero 7 white. Here's the box look like. And we got it open in this tab. So once we open it, wait, can I open it? How do I open it? How do I open it? There's a box. Oh, there's a tab here actually. So this is first time unboxing the GoPro Hero. Oh. This is hard. So I've got this. Look at this. Fresh. Good boy, GoPro. Nothing in the box, just the glass. So here's the GoPro Hero to look fresh. And there's a remove tab something. Here. Here's the remove. So let's go open this box door. Here, there's a plus flare of the GoPro. Tells instruction. And it says to subscribe to GoPro's channel. Right inside, watch the skydive GoPro. Here's the construction information guide. How to use the GoPro camera. And here is inside a charger and some lenses of caps. It comes with 2 packs of caps. So it's an awesome looking camera. But how I open it is remove. How to remove? Got it. And now how? Sorry, does this sound this? Okay. How? It's difficult. Ooh, I open like that. Now what else? Well, I can't open this GoPro. I'm having trouble. I'm gonna make this video longer. Oh, this is too hard. Do I have to roll it like that? Oh yeah, I saw it. It's removing. So I gotta do this a lot. You have to do this. It's hard how you unbox. Oh, there it is. And now I can. And here is this GoPro. Just look small. Everyone think you can tell it's small GoPro. That's too hard. Do you have to slide out? So let's open the travel kit. So You can get in link description in Amazon, GoPro.com. These are all sets of GoPro Heroes. Yeah. But it's hard. GoPros are absolutely very hard to unbox. Oh, actually, I don't know. Wow, look at this. And there's a sticker here. Once I have to remove it. So the travel kit. It's a thriller. There, here's the travel kit box. Wait, if you have Oh, there's elastic, lots of 2 months. Alright, I need scissors, so sorry. Alright, that's it for the video maybe. The GoPro Hero Ultimate should remove now. Oh, there we go. Why it's like back? There it goes. Here, the GoPro Hero. Once I turn it on, just have to turn it on. GoPro. So that's it for the guys. And it's installing. Oh, there's sound for it. So hope you guys enjoy. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.